Hi, I'm Rachel the Messy Minimalist, and you're watching Declutter Your Life on Guru Hub. Today, we're going to talk about the concept of sunk cost. Now, you might be wondering, how on earth does sunk cost have to do with decluttering? Well, in this case, it has everything to do with decluttering because Abigail reached out saying that when it comes to decluttering, my biggest problem is believing the items have some monetary value that I want to recoup. As someone who's naturally business-minded, I also found it very difficult to let go of items if I felt that they had some kind of monetary value or if I just knew that I had spent a lot of money on them. So when I first started applying the idea of sunk cost to decluttering, I found it to be a huge game changer. And a big part of that was first determining what I felt like my time was worth. So, I have an exercise that you can use to help you determine if your items are worth more than your time, or if your time is worth more than your items. The first thing that we're gonna do though is talk about what sunk cost is, just in case you don't know. A sunk cost is essentially a cost that occurred in the past. It's something that you can't change because you already paid for it. That's happened. So, to determine if your time is worth more than your stuff, write down your gut reaction on how much money that item is worth. Is it $10, $20, $50, $100? Then let's just brainstorm all the things that are gonna go into getting rid of that item. Writing a description, taking a photo of it, uploading that photo, corresponding with people, whether it's over phone, text message, or email, driving out to meet that person or arranging a time that they can drive out to meet you, figuring out what's spam, what's not spam, and then all the while risking the possibility that that person might not even want your item or want to pay what you want to get out of that item. How much time did all of that take? Now think, what could you have done with your time instead that went into selling that item? This is the thought process that I go through every single time when I want to figure out if my time is worth more or if an item is worth more. And almost always I find that my time is worth more. I hope that this helps you when determining whether or not your item has some monetary value or if you should in fact just let it go. You're watching Declutter Your Life on Guru Hub. Don't forget, you can reach out to me on social media with your questions using hashtag GuruHub for a chance to be featured in my next video.